We are about to enter El Jardin de Ranas. Here we will see some red-eyed tree frogs, and there's also a little part that shows you their life cycle. Now let's go inside and learn about the red-eyed tree frog. I'm here with Eric, the guy who's in charge of the frog garden. And right here we have the wall that shows you how the tadpoles become frogs. Right here in my hand, I have some eggs that from the day that the female lays these eggs, it takes 10 days to become a tadpole. Then after that, it takes 3 months for the tadpole to become a frog. Now Eric is gonna show me some frogs that were just born.
Aquí tenemos las ranas que nacieron.
Look at this. These are the frogs that just came out from being tadpoles. These frogs are nocturnal, so they come out at 5:45 and they feed off insects, mosquitoes, all that type of stuff. Right now it's 4:30. The frogs are sleeping, but he's gonna push some and he's gonna make a move. Okay, vamos a ver los otros que están libres. So right here we have some frog eggs. The frogs always lay their eggs on top of water, as you may see. So the tadpole can fall straight down and voila, they're born. Okay. That would taste delicious. I've never seen this frog in my life. Baby. Ready? This is the Jardin de Ranas. Where have you been? Woo!